Hey loves, I'm installing another wig from HERGIVENHAIR today. Cutting straight to the chase, this is my favorite wig from them so far. This is a kinky edges wig, and this type of hair has been trending on social media for some time, so I was very excited to get my hands on one. The details for the hair are small cap, natural color, 16 inches, and as I already mentioned, it's a kinky edges unit. Now, the hair can be worn as a glueless unit, meaning you don't need any adhesive to make it stay on your head. However, where I live, the wind can and will be very disrespectful. So your girl had to go ahead and secure this wig down. Okay. Now, when it comes to HERGIVENHAIR units that I have tried, all of them with the exception of this one have been U-part wigs. And so I put it on in the morning and then I take it off at night. But I've been sleeping with this one, y'all. I've been sleeping with this one. And like the first night, I was real nervous. I was like, is this hair gonna tangle up? You know, am I gonna knot it? But look, I woke up in the morning, I put some water, some conditioner, I brushed it out, and curls was popping, okay? So if you all are looking for like a real simple, you know, wig that you put on, you get out the door, mind your business, that, you know, don't really care much for it, I would highly recommend this one. They do have a Black Friday sale going on the website, and you and I know HERGIVENHAIR is pricey, okay? Now, that's pricey for a good reason, because they are killing the whole natural hair wig game. However, you know, their prices are up there. So while they got the sales going on, go ahead and do you a little scroop on their website and get you a few, okay? You can also use my code Esther, that is ESTHER. I think it gives you up to like $60 off, depending on how much you spend on the website.